Fala galera, beleza? Alô, Anália. E eu tô gravando um vídeo pra vocês. Terceiro vídeo do canal. E hoje vamos jogar esse jogo aqui, galera. Bora lá, que é muito esperado ele. Não me pediram, mas porque eu só tenho um inscrito.
This will certainly be the first of many. Shoots! It's an equaliser, all square. There is a final whistle, a really tight game. Honours Well, he's been unstoppable. He is their star player. His teammates making a run down the right. What's he going to do? Unstoppable. He is their star player. His teammates making a run down the right. What's he going to do? Played in field. He must score, surely. Off his head. Oh, good save by the goalkeeper. The striker was looking forward to that. On the volley. Great finish. Well, he's been unstoppable. He is their star. His teammates making a run down the right. What's he going to do? Tries a header. What
estrela.
He's been on another level recently. What will he decide to do with his corner? They need goals and fast. Looking for the striker. Headed away. It's with the striker. Good effort. Shoots. Good defense. I think he almost started celebrating. So unlucky. He shoots. Oh, good save by the goalkeeper. Good effort. Oh, it's saved by the goalkeeper. Shoots. Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. Headed clear. Good clearance. He really got behind that. He must score. He shoots. Good save by the goalkeeper. Shoots. Oh, good save by the goalkeeper. Shoots. So close. Nice play. Headed out. Tries a header. The striker was looking for. Gets the header in. Just when it looked like the chance. Space opens up down the left. Gets the shot in. So close. Headed clear. Gets the shot in. Off the post. Pulls the trick. He shoots. It's the dying moments of the game. Can they score? Played into the box. Good possession. Headed away. Gets the header in. Oh, it's hit the post. Well timed and good defending. Headed clear. Played into the box. Shoots. The keeper's blocked that one. Good effort. Good block save. Shoots. The keeper's done really well. You know, I thought that was it, and I think half the crowd did as well. Headed clear. Headed out. Gets the shot in. Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. Shoots. Headed away. He must score. Shot. Gets the shot in. Oh, nice finish there. Good effort. Now that's class. A wonderful finish. Into the danger area. Shoots. They've drawn level. They've left it right until one. He's been on another. The opposition counters on what will he decide to do with his corner. They need goals and fast. Gets the shot in. Headed clear. He shoots. Terrific save. That's well out by the defender. Played into the box. Tries a header. Just when it looked like there was a chance. Space opens up down the left. Shoots. Oh, that's just off target. Shoots. Oh, he's hit the woodwork. Headed out.
Mas galera, eu vou encerrando esse vídeo por aqui. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. E tchau, galera. Não deixe de deixar aquele like bacanudo aí embaixo do vídeo. E tchau, galera. Tchau. Fui. Bye.